Hello Mustang Maniacs, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to perform an oil change on my granddaughter's 2006 Ford Mustang. What do you got there, Shelly?
I got an 06 Mustang.
And this is a 6-cylinder 4.0. It looks pretty nice. Whoever had it before put some rally stripes on it. They blacked out the signal lights. Put a grill, an aftermarket grill without the Mustang logo. It looks pretty sharp. It's a little beat up, but it's a start. So I'm here in town. So the idea is to help her out as much as I can. So we're gonna do an oil change. Okay. The Mustang looks like it's complete. I don't see anything wrong with it. Apparently she bought it used. I can tell a little separation here. So it's had a frontal situation here. Not much. Yeah, I can see that rail is just slightly bent to the left, but not enough to really affect anything here. First things first, I jacked it up on both sides. I like to remove the oil cap. Here's my oil catcher, and that's a 5/8 wrench. It was a little snug, not too bad. It looks pretty dark and nasty. Looking pretty dark and nasty. It's almost there. There he goes. Go. So since I'm down here, I'm gonna reach up there and see if it's hand tight or a gorilla got to it, one or the other. I was able to loosen it with both hands. All right. Now we're gonna take a quick look at it. This is where the oil filter goes. Make sure that the rubber gasket of the oil filter is not stuck on there. It appears that it's not. I'm gonna use the STP S2XL. I know the Fram version is a PH2. The Motorcraft FL820S. I like to prep my filter by filling it up with oil. Maybe I guess that'll do it. Oh, it's sinking down. Right about there. Make sure you clean your drain plug before you put it back on. Once it goes all the way in and it feels a little snug, just give it a little. That's it. So we got the drain plug in. Now we're gonna put the filter back in. Once you get started, pretty easy. And this also, you don't give it you just kind of wait until it kind of tightens up and just give it a little, that's it. Make sure you pull this out of there before you bring the car down. You already got your drain plug on and your filter on. Time to put some oil in there. It takes about 5 quarts, the first one. 2, 3. We're gonna start the engine. We're gonna let it run for a little bit. Okay, I think that's been long enough. You want to check the level with the car off. Okay, now that the fluid has gone through the engine and stuff and filled in all the empty spaces, we'll see what we got. Okay, it's supposed to be between the 2 little dots, and it looks like it needs a quart. So let's put that quart in there and see where we end up. Okay, this is quart number 5. This is what it sounds like with the new oil. If you like this content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, Keep the rubber down and God bless you.